monster. And yeah, as you see, I've started the game. So this is the battle cats. So yeah, I've started the game. I tried to make 2 videos. In the first one, yeah, it didn't work. Something went wrong with my iPad. And in the second one, I forgot to turn my microphone on. So I basically have completed 16 stages without a video. And this is my first video and I already completed 16 stages. Okay? So I'll basically explain you everything in the match. First I'll just show you all of my cats. So I don't have to time waste on that later. Macho cat, wall cat, brave cat, legs cat, giraffe cat, UFO cat, whale cat, mythical titan cat. All of my power-ups which I upgraded to level 10. Let's go to special. I only have ninja frog cat, but I can bite these which I want. Rare cats, rover cat, super F, fried shrimp cat, hacker cat, and then at last uber super F, windy type A. So I'll basically show you around, then I'll explain you everything. So first just see this around, then I'll explain you everything properly. As you can see, I'm sending out cats which are going to battle these enemies who are coming from the other side. And I'll show you the enemies I've faced already. In the enemy guide, there's a guide which all the enemies I've faced are shown. And yeah. In the next video, I'm gonna show you a way from which you can get free rewards. In my next video, which is gonna be pretty soon. And yeah, we're gonna have fun. Mission complete. Yeah, red ticket. Leaders, 2 leaders actually. Missions. Yeah, cat tickets. Okay, guys, you saw all of my cats. The special cats and these basic cats are you can get them by luck or by tickets, by cat tickets. Rare cats, you need to use these rare tickets you see right here, rare cat capsule. These ones. I'll do one on Galaxy Cat. Now I'm gonna get a new cat or the cat which I had before. Nobody knows. Okay. I already got it before, but I'm exchanging it from money. You see XP at the top right, XP 375850. That's basically how much money I have. With all of that, I can upgrade my cats. Don't worry, all my cats are max, so I won't need them right now. This is a kind of bad thing. Efficiency. I can explain you all of this in the match when we play, because it will be hard to explain now. As I've already seen one match, let's play more. I'll show you energy next round. On the top right you see 1000, and on the bottom left you see this 180 thing. I click it. Now look at the top right. It's 1500. That's called the wallet. Now I do it again. Now it's 2000. I do it again. 2500. I do it again. 3000. It's just increasing by 500 for this time. Yeah, basically it's just increasing. So, oh my god, what the heck is happening right now? Giraffe cat. Oh, I got my uber super rare out. Windy. I have shown her to you. Right, basically I've just shown her to you. Now we are on Sahara. So I told you about wallet. Now efficiency, which I just got. On the top right you see this money which is increasing like every second. You see that one, right? That's called the efficiency. I got that thing from the cat capsule. Now this is going faster than it was before. Now this money is increasing faster than it was before. So yeah. So it's a good thing. So you can get your cats out faster because they cost money. So yeah, look at this. These are so easy. Baba black sheets. start the game. Egypt. Okay, let's see Egypt. So basically in this one, let's see what all is there. I'm gonna send out Mr. Frog Cat. He's the best cat, like very cheap and very good cat right now for me. Yeah, because I'm just using it and he's just destroying every single thing. It attacks fast, but damage is less, but attacks fast. So it's a kind of good thing for us. Look at everything getting destroyed. Absolutely bodied, man. Absolutely bodied. Dead. Oh, new cat. Is it the one I was waiting for? Yes, it is. Lizard cat. Guys, I did it. I got dragon cat. I told you I would get a dragon. I got a dragon. I'm gonna face dragons as my enemy very later. Leaderships. You see this energy here in the corner? And look at the energy up on Turkey. It's written 24 minus 24 is 23. I need 24 energy. Every minute 1 energy goes up. So instead I'll just use the leadership, which makes my energy full. So yeah, energy full. Let's play again. Like, not again, like we play the next stage. Basically we play the next stage. Yeah, so I'm basically just playing the next stage. Do you guys want to see my Uber Super Red? I'll show it next round. It's so cool, even though I haven't used it. She seems to be so cool, but this is so easy with you. Okay, fine. I'll show you my Uber Super Red. Wait for it. It's gonna be so cool. Oh my god. It had to be this, didn't it? Okay, now I'm gonna send out Windy. Let's all of these get attacked. Bye bye. Wait, I'll get Dragon Cat in. It's gonna be fun with him. Oh, look at Windy. Look at Windy. It's so slow, but it's very good. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god! Look at that attack. So cool. And boom! So cool. Oh my god, this has a blind spot. Like, it has a long range, so it has a blind spot. If something comes in it, it can't attack. Okay, makes sense. But whatever. Russia. We played Russia, guys. We played Russia. We beat Russia. We are so strong. We beat Russia. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay, I showed you my Uber Super Red. I don't want to waste time right now. Oh, I forgot to get in Dragon Cat. Oh, look at the seal, dude. Oh my god, that was easy. When we beat the floating head, okay. The floating head sounds weird for you, but okay. So, Gamma Toto. Missions. Greece, yay! 20 cat food. There's basically a dude who goes and gets materials for you. It's a chance to get it. Let's see which one we have unlocked right now. Cats in the box, beast cat. Yeah, we don't need any of these. Let's play Italy. Let's see what happens to us now. Yeah, right. It's just a poor little hippo. What will a hippo do to us, man? Fine, hippo versus cats. Hippo wins, but according to this, okay. Kind of weird. Yeah, this is so easy, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm just destroying everything. So easy. I got a pizza, which is normal. Oh, 5 rich cats. That's cool. Boogie cat. I really like it. Samba cat. Okay, I won't use Samba cat now, but there's one thing I'll use. Dragon cat. This thingy go, I don't know who you are. Wait, I got a new cat. I forgot to pick my cat food. Yay, 75 cat food. Let's go. Monaco. Let's see what comes in this. Let's see what easy peasy lemon squeezy things come in this. Let's see what comes in this. So, oh my god, this is so easy lemons. You see this? Everything's getting destroyed. 2-second beat, man. Not 2 seconds, but you get the point. Oh, finish it off, giraffe cat. Finish it off. Finish it off, man. Yeah, right. Wiki pants. You know, look at Dragon Cat go, man. Look at Dragon Cat go. Come on, guys. Look at Dragon Cat go. So cool. Spain. 69 energy. Yeah. Let's go. A crocodile. Die. After this, I'll show you the enemies I faced. I forgot to show you. Let's go. Just destroy everything, man. What comes in Spain? A bull? What else? A seal? Nobody cares. It's gonna be dead soon. See? I told you guys. Everything's getting destroyed. Okay, what are these idiotic crocodiles doing here? They're just coming out to die, man. Just coming out to die. So I'll show you the enemies I faced. Enemy guy. Doge. You can just read it. Snatcher. You can read it. Those guys. They are dumb. Hippoe. Okay. Piggy. Okay. Jackie Bang. Okay. Gory. Baba. Baba Black Sheep better. Cersei. Okay. Croco. Okay, that's only how many units I faced. Out of all of those, like millions of units, man. Out of millions of units, I've only faced those many. Because I'm in the first chapter, man. I need speed up so I can finish my games faster. So in this video we can play more games. When my speed ups run out, that means my video is finished. Or maybe before that. I don't know. I'll see about that. Wait. No. I didn't use my speed up and I just bought them. I don't care. I'm using speed ups. When my energy finishes, I'm done actually. 200 energy, let's go with it. Okay. I'm beating everything up, guys. Ninja Frog is overpowered. Oh my god. These are so easy things. Look at the base getting destroyed. Look at the base getting destroyed, guys. Look at the base getting destroyed. Oh, alright. Germany. Let's play Germany. Let's beat it up like the others. Ninja frog. Ninja frog. Ninja frog. Ninja frog. Ninja frog. Ninja frog. My god, guys, this is so easy. God damn it, you guys. This is so easy. I'm beating everything up. Oh my god. Beat it. Oh, smart wall activated. What does smart wall do? Let's see what smart wall does. Cat base health increase. Alright. Oh yeah, I completed a mission. Let's go here. Okay. Let's start the game, guys. North Korea, Denmark. There's a surprise waiting at the base for this one. And the only way where I can beat it is Dragon Cat right now. So yeah, I can just use Dragon Cat to beat it up. It's kinda easy, I guess. The surprise, it's obviously easy. My money is so slow. Yeah, Dragon Cat will kill all of these and give me my money. Yeah, cat cannon. You can do all the work for today. Yes, one more of this. Let's see the surprise, guys. Look at this. Look at the elephant. That was the stupid surprise I was telling you about. Ninja frog for the giraffe cat. For those things. Yes, we beat the elephant, guys. This was easier than I was beating the first stage. No, the 7th stage in the game. This was easier. Yeah, because I'm good cats right now. Not bad as that time. Like only this dude which I just sent out. That's the only thing I had to use. Okay guys, there's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Red ticket, let's go. 2 leaderships again. I used to, I got 2. That's a good thing. Special, let's see what is it. Bondage cat. I don't care whatever is it. Rare cat capsules. Galaxy cats. Let's use it. Poocha! Yeah, Archer cat. Give me money, Archer cat. Give me money. Norway. Let's play. I'm almost out of energy. Then it'll be the end of the video, guys. I hope you're enjoying my video so far. And my cousin also has a YouTube channel. I'll give the link of his channel in the description below, in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to him, and please like and subscribe to me too. Oh my god, this is so easy, guys. You seeing this? Nothing getting passed our way. Nothing, bro. Next video, we're not gonna continue this. The only thing we're gonna do right now is I can get us free things. I may be stuck on this stage over there, but I can get you guys free things. And if you play this and you still don't know that, yep, I can show you, and yeah, you can do it, and yep, we'll see about it. You can get a platinum ticket, 100% uber super rare, like Windy. You may get another like that. It's kind of cool, guys. You're gonna be happy if you get one of those. Yeah, just destroy the base. Wait, what? I couldn't destroy the base. No. 44. The base is 44. Seriously, guys? The base is 44. The base is literally 44. I can one-shot it. Guys, I can literally one-shot. The base is 44. Oh my god. Yes. One shot. You saw that one shot, right? Didn't you guys? Nice. 30. This is my last stage for today, I guess. Yep. Last stage. Let me just beat it. So easy. Please don't leave the health 44 again this time. Please. Don't leave the health 44 again this time, guys. Please. Oh, I got fried shrimp cat. I got this duty. Whatever you call him. Yeah, giraffe cat, I think. Giraffe cat, right? Yeah, giraffe cat. Oh, I beat it. So, guys, the new cat. Let's see the new cat. Collect a mission and finish our time for today. Wait. This duty is for free. We just get him. Let's just get him. He's free. Beans cat. Okay, you can just read it. Okay, missions. 20 cat. That's so nice of you. Wait, I think there's one more thing we can do right now. Draw one for free. It's an ad. My god. It's an ad. Let's see. Oh my god, how long does an ad take? How long does this ad take? How long does this ad take? Oh my god. Come on, ad. I'm getting a lucky ticket, guys. It's a ticket where you can get lucky. It's kind of the opposite of that, guys. So don't complain when you see about it. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna play Battle Cats. Yeah. Lucky to go. What do I get? Little Titan cat. A new cat. Let's use him. See, that's why I told you we should always do lucky tickets. We get new cats. We get free cat food. And number 3, we get a user rank high. Wait, I'll just show you what user rank is. You see this number 273 at the top left? 273, that's called the user rank. Look. When it turns 300, I receive this much XP, as you can see on the bottom. They're just showing my user status, user rank and all of that. So guys, that's it for today. So yeah, I'll meet you next time and I'll show you the way for free rewards. Goodbye.